Okay, so now we take some bowls and we put in a little bit of our cheesecake or cream cheese and Cool Whip. Okay, and then onto that we put some cherry pie filling. And then you see we're going to put some more of this on, and then we're going to put the cocoa. We are layering it. There you go. Ready to serve. It is called Cherries in the Snow. 1 package of Philadelphia cream cheese softened, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 cups of Cool